Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. I hope everyone will be fine. So now I am starting basic English grammar 1. Singular and plural noun. A noun names or person, place, things or idea. That is called noun. Usually the first page of a grammar book tells you about nouns. Noun gives name of concrete or abstract things in our life. As babies learn mom, dad, or milk as their first word, nouns should be the first topic when you study a foreign language. For the plural forms of most nouns, add a bottle, bottles, cup, caps, pencil, pencils, desk, desks, sticker, stickers, window, windows. For nouns that end in ch, x, s, or s, sounds add es. Box, boxes, watch, watches, mouse, mosses, bus, buses. For nouns ending in f or fe, change for f to v and add es. Wolf, wolves, wife, wives, leaf, leaves, life, lives. Some nouns have different plural forms. Child, children, woman, women, man, men, mouse, mice, goose, geese. Noun ending to vowels like y or o do not have definite rule. Baby, babies, toy, toys, kidney, kidneys, potatoes, potatoes, potato, potatoes. And my mistakes, memo, memos, sparrow, sparrows. A few nouns have the same singular and plurals. Sleep, sheep, sheep, deer, deers, series, series, species, species. So thanks for watching.